Hi, I'm Giovanni, and if you're in the human resources field and you want to improve the onboarding process or the employee company relationship, I'm showing how you can turn the employee handbook into a live document that makes it easy for your employees to interact with your company, but at the same time for the human resources team to learn more about the employees' needs. Let's get into it. So first, let's start by creating an account. Go to Agentsy.pro, go to get free trial, get this free trial with 6 month free period that allows you to have 20 users and 300 messages and add your details. You would have to add a company username. In this case, I'm gonna add a company username test, write your email, write your password, agree terms, and create organization. Once you have created your organization and validated your email, the next step is that you will land in a website similar to this. And as you can see, this is a playground where we have test.agency.pro. In your case, it would be company username.agency.pro. And here you can customize your site. This is all customizable. So here you access to admin portal, you log in with your email. This is your new dashboard. The next step is to customize the site for the HR team. So here I have created like a demo company called Novatech, and I have prepared the text. So we could, for example, get to know how we work, clarity, integrity, and growth. That's our work. That's our way, and some other text just to share you how easily it is to change the text. Also, we can change the colors very easily. So let me change the primary color to this. And also the same we could do with the images. So I have created some images previously. And let's start with this one as a main image. The second image could be this one. And the third image could be this one. And now after saving the customization, we could see how easily it was to change the text and the images and the colors for preparing the page for the onboarding process and sharing the employee handbook. So the next step is to connect OpenAI with your employee handbook into Agentsy.pro. So the way to do it is you have to go to integrations, and here you in OpenAI API key, you need to go and visit platform.openai.com. And here you have to create a new key and copy it. I have done this already. So you copied it and then you paste it over here. Then you need to paste and create your prompt ID. So I have done this already, but the way to do it is you go to chats, create a new one. I have done this. So here, Novatech, and you add some information to the assistant. For you're the AI assistant of a Novatech, and your objective is to provide support on HR requirements. So once you click save, you will provide a name, and here you have the prompt ID. So you copy this and you paste it over here. And then if you have added some file search, as I have done, I have added the employee handbook that is this one, where we mention about welcome to Novatech Solutions, our mission, vision, employee policies, compensation and benefits, workplace guidelines, and more details. So once you add it, you have to copy the vector store, which is here, and you paste it over here, and you save customizations. And that way is a way you connect your employee handbook to Agentsy.pro to provide an AI experience. Once you have uploaded the employee handbook or any other document that you want to share with your employees, the next step is to sign up. Sign up, and then you can then sign in, as I have created an account already. So this way you would be able to create interact with the employee handbook. You create a chat and then tell me about employee policy, for example. And this, what it would do it's go and review the information that you have uploaded previously to OpenAI, and it will provide you a response back based on that information. As you can see, now the system has responded back to the user. That's it. Now, back as the admin, you would be able to see how many employees have been registered, how many chats they have created, and how many messages they have written to the employee handbook. And also, you can even go granular and see their activity. So you could see uh, who have asked about the employee policy and who has asked about any other topic. And this way, you would be able to also track what the AI is responding to provide the employees with a better experience with the company and more detailed orientation. The final step is to change where your employees access to this document, because right now it's in this test environment with Agentsy.pro, but what you would like to do is for having them to access in your own domain, for example chat.novatech.com. And so once you feel good with the design and how the AI is responding, you can go to customize settings, redirect domain, and access this configure domain redirect, which is a premium feature. But here you would be able to redirect this environment that is only for testing, pass it to production in your own domain, your choice. I hope you like this short demo video, how you can make the experience with the team of HR more interactive and also more insightful for you to learn about the employees. In this demo video, we uploaded the employee handbook, but this can also be applied to many other fields. So make sure or feel free to adjust it accordingly to your current context.